There's another cat in the woods, and Miracle's not happy. She's going the other way, Miracle. Oh, he's got a smell. It's a beautiful glow back there today as the sun's going down. She was out in the field, and that really bothered me. There she is, right over there. See? There she is. Miracle, what do you think about that? Says these are Miracle's woods, and he's not going to share. Come on, let's just keep walking. Let's go look at the pretty sky, Miracle. He just doesn't pick it up. Come on. He just saw the black cat as we were crossing the field. That didn't make him any happier either. He just doesn't like them, do you, Miracle? So many things to smell. Well, sun will be down by the time we get back after you stopping to smell everything. Yeah, stop and smell everything. He says, I can't help it. There's just so many interesting things to smell. Isn't that right, Miracle? That's right. That's right. That's interesting too. He used to like to look at that. Made me think there's some sort of animal living in it. But he doesn't pay it any attention anymore. He goes right by it. I wish my phone could pick it up. It is just a beautiful glow back there. Oh, I hear dogs. That always upsets me. I can't say as you blame them. I hope they're not running loose. Come on, Miracle. Try to get back in. Oh, it's so pretty back there. And Miracle's marking his territory. He's letting everyone know these are Miracle's woods. Let's see. I hope he doesn't get too upset just at hearing the dogs. Now, usually he likes to go straight, but today he's making this turn. Sometimes he mixes it up, but I think he's wanting to go away from the dogs. We gotta get him back in. Let him have his sniffing time. I just love the sounds of this time of day and the light in the sky. One of my favorite times of day. I really love it. Well, that must smell really interesting because he's been sniffing for a while. Haven't you, Miracle? What is it? Come on, let's go. Let's go. There we go. Here, we're going this way. This way. Okay. Alright. If you want to go this way, we will. Let's listen to what he wants to do, because those dogs are out there. I don't think they've crossed the road or anything. Let's get through all this miracle. This is the old brown storage house. There's a really old John Deere tractor out there that if anybody sees it, they try to buy it from my mother, thinking, oh, this is a woman, and she's doesn't know any better, and tries to give her next to nothing for it. And I'm like, yeah, we'll keep it. Something's running out there. I think it's herd of deer. He's going back away from the house. And usually he knows when we're on our way home and he goes towards home. But now he's trying to go the way. It has to be because he heard the dogs. He's going back towards the field. Yeah, he's just making a circle. He's really, seems like he has a specific location in mind too. Oh, we're going back to the field, everyone. Thanks for watching.